are touring this $28 million house in Beverly Hills. This is a 7-bedroom, 11-bathroom house just under 13,000 square feet on a full acre of land. All right, so we're at the house. I'm with Darren, the real estate agent. So you're really more the expert on the house, but I'm excited to see it. This is like one of the coolest houses I've been to. But yeah, let's take a look inside.
Let's do it.
Okay, tell me about the doors, because this is like the most insane front door.
Yeah, so out here on the exterior, we have 33-foot Renovations Italian glass doors.
Wow.
And that's absolutely insane. It's kind of hard to tell where the front door really is.
Yeah.
Arrive to it.
Wild, so cool. And got all the water features out front.
Yeah, a lot of
like
water features.
3 different ponds.
Out front.
This entryway is super modern and gives you a really good feel of what this house has to offer. Yeah.
You have those glass doors. You have, right above us, a 6-foot Moy Dutch chandelier.
Wow.
That was craned in here. Floating staircase to our right.
Yeah.
It's one of 2 staircases to get to the top level.
So modern and sleek. I really like the floors.
Yeah, it's extremely modern, this entire home.
Just off the entryway is an office.
And it is cool, you get floor-to-ceiling glass windows. You look out to one of the water features in the front.
Yeah, I feel like every room has floor-to-ceiling windows. It's like a staple of the house. Yeah, super nice. Anyone would love this office. And it looks like it closes some pocket doors if you need it to.
Exactly, yeah, the door's pocket in, it can close, you can do your work in peace, not be disturbed by anyone else doing whatever they want to do in the living room.
Yeah. Past the entryway is the main living space of the house. With floor-to-ceiling windows that open up completely into the backyard, you can take advantage of the amazing weather year-round. The living area has an open concept design to the dining area. And if you guys thought the frame TV was cool, well, check this out. The TV blends in seamlessly to this black glass wall. Not only does it look really cool and modern when it's on, but it looks great when you turn it off too, because it completely disappears into a glass wall.
The first bedroom in the house is over here on the right wing as you arrive, and I love this area. You have a nicely staged piano. But this is a cool feature. You have floor-to-ceiling windows, and you have a waterfall right outside in that side yard.
Nice.
Makes it look very serene and private in this little nook of the house.
And past the piano, you'll find a guest suite on the main floor that feels more like a luxury hotel room. As you can see, it's a really good size. It has these floor-to-ceiling windows that you can actually enter through from the front of the house. It has that really unique black glass wall that you'll see all throughout this house. And like all the bedrooms in the house, it has an ensuite bathroom that's really simple and clean. Everything about it is super modern and would appeal to just about anyone.
Yeah, and another thing about this living room, there was over $1 million put into the furnishings of this entire house, so
crazy. Yeah.
You have the indoor-outdoor flow, as you said. A lot of these houses in LA have that. It's kind of like a blown-up modern box, as they call it, that you'll see a lot of the time in West Hollywood. But yeah, another water feature that you might not see right away in this backyard is the hot tub over there in the corner.
Love that.
That's something really cool.
So this is a really generous sized patio. It has space for loungers, a day bed, and this really cool concrete sitting area right next to the fire pit. It's cool. I love how they built this in the cement. There's also a covered outdoor kitchen right off of the patio. It has that same nice white tile as inside, so it feels really modern and luxurious. It also has heaters on the ceilings and a glass railing so you can see the yard below.
And yeah, we have built-in heaters up on the ceilings here.
Nice security system.
Oh yeah, best of the best security system.
I'm sure. Yeah. Heading down to the lower part of the yard is the pool and a grass lawn. So they have a fire pit with a moat around it, because why not?
It's just a cool feature. Like,
yeah.
It wasn't necessary, but it is necessary, right?
I mean, for a house like this, yeah, I think so.
Exactly.
The pool, you'll notice, has a darker interior, making it feel like a natural pool of water rather than a man-made pool. And the wooden deck, in combination with all the lush plants surrounding, makes it feel really tropical, almost like a backyard you'd find in Bali. It's pretty crazy how in the drone shots you can see some neighboring houses, but with the landscaping, when you're in the backyard, it feels like you're out in the middle of nowhere. The yard feels super private and no one can see in.
And just look at this backyard. We're on over over an acre of land. And you don't get this much greenery and foliage in most homes in Beverly Hills.
No, and you really don't see the neighbors.
Yeah, that's another thing. You don't have any neighbors up on hills that are looking down at you in your backyard. It's super private.
Yeah.
Very nice, yeah.
So while this home doesn't have a view like many of the houses at this price point, it does have a nice trade-off with the privacy and the amount of land that you get. Now heading back into the house, let's look at everyone's favorite part of luxury houses, the kitchen. So this kitchen is really minimal and understated. It's ultra modern and it of course has state-of-the-art appliances. All the appliances are from Melee and it even has a paneled fridge that blends in seamlessly to the kitchen. You'll see this in a lot of the modern style kitchens, and I think it looks really good. There's also a separate wine fridge that's also hidden, and wow, it can hold a lot of wine. Now let's head down these floating stairs to the basement. The basement is all about entertainment. I love this railing that they did going down to the basement. I think it's really modern like the rest of the house. So in the basement, you've got a wet bar, a poker table, and a temperature-controlled wine storage that can really hold all the wine you'd ever need. There's a sleek bathroom on this floor, and the coolest part, a movie theater. This movie theater almost feels like a spaceship. It has such a cool design, and it has these really comfortable Tufty Time couches, so you can actually lay down while you're watching a movie. Heading up 2 sets of stairs, we have the top floor of the house, which has the rest of the bedrooms. And in the middle of the top floor, you can't miss the glass enclosed gym.
But up here on the top level, first thing you'll see is this gym.
Whoa.
Glass enclosed gym.
This gym definitely has space for a few people to get a workout in. It's got treadmills, space for yoga mats, and a set of weights. Now taking a look at the 5 bedrooms on this floor. Each bedroom has a really similar modern feel. They all feel really cohesive, similar to each other with small differences in the bathrooms, balconies, and closets, which they each have their own of. At this price point, that's pretty standard, but really each of these bedrooms feels like the primary bedroom of a normal house. The balcony's like bigger than the bedroom, huh?
This balcony is bigger than the bedroom, you're right. It's also bigger than the master bedroom balcony.
Dang.
Just so much room for activities.
Wow, seriously.
Yeah.
And all the way down the hall, heading through the double doors, is the primary bedroom, which when you enter feels kind of like a museum. As you would expect, this room is huge. It's really impressive. It's got a king bed and space to just lounge around. Once again, you'll see that black glass against the bed, which looks really cool. And of course, a wall of windows that opens up completely to your own balcony with views of the entire property. You already know the bathroom is going to be pretty impressive in here. This bathroom is probably larger than the size of most of our own bedrooms. One thing I love about this bathroom is the skylight in the shower. It just lets in a nice amount of natural light that feels really good when you're taking a shower. I also love these floor-to-ceiling windows on the side here that almost makes it feel like you're outside. And of course, the bathtub in the middle, I think everyone loves. Wow, check out the closet. Closet number 1 and number 2. Automatic lights in them that turn on as you open. Very nice touch. So the closet is obviously really big and the design is just so cool. It feels like a boutique. You can really put your clothes and accessories on display. And I also like that there's a window in here. You get some natural light. It's just really nice. So that is it for this insane house. I'll leave Darren's YouTube channel below if you guys want to see more house tours. He does a bunch of house tours just like this. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.